If you want to learn how to create a map invasion in the Geolayers plugin for After Effects, stay until the end of the video and I will show you how to create the Battle of Stalingrad. First, create a new project, set the duration to 15 seconds, and choose a map style. For now, I will choose World Topo Map. Search for the Volgograd area because this is where we will animate the historical battle. Zoom into that region. Finalize the project to improve video quality. Now we are using the pen tool to create the first shape of the invasion. Once you're happy with the result, open the shape layer and under Content, open Path and click on the stopwatch next to Path. Next, we are going to the first frame and start to animate the first frame of the video by moving the dots that we added. We are moving on the timeline and moving the position closer to the city of Volgograd as the invasion moves forward. Create a new keyframe every few seconds. It will be more precise if you add more keyframes, but in this case, I added only 6. You can change the mode of the shape layer to multiply. At the end, you need to parent it to World Map Comp Anchor and select 3D layer. Next, change the map style to imagery. Add a tint effect to World Map Comp. Also add lumetri color. Change the temperature to -50 and contrast to 80. Again, finalize the project. Now we are going to add flags of the Third Reich and Soviet Union. First, import the flag of the Third Reich and scale it down. By clicking Ctrl-D, copy it along the border of the invasion shape. Do the same for the Soviet Union flag. Select all flags and parent them with World Map Comp Anchor, and select 3D layer. Now we need to animate the position of the flags the same way the invasion shape layer is moving. Select the stopwatch next to position of every flag and start to animate them on the same keyframes as we did for the invasion shape layer. We can add clouds at the end for a more realistic view. Do that by adding a new solid layer in white color. Use the pen tool and start to create shapes. I created 3 shapes. Parent mask feathers of all masks with mask 1 and set it to 60. You can add Turbulent Displace. Set complexity to 10. Click the stopwatch next to offset turbulence on the first frame. Move to the last frame and set it to 1100. Now you can copy the clouds layer and add a drop shadow to that new layer. Set distance to 10 and select Shadow Only. Parent both layers with World Map Comp Anchor and select 3D Layer. Change the Z coordinate of the clouds to -1000. At the end, you can animate the camera on the first and last frame. And that's it. You have an animation of the Battle of Stalingrad. If you liked the video, please click like and subscribe.